Ready to transform your marketing automation with the power of AI and unlock hyper-personalized customer communications? Let's dive into integrating Retell AI with GoHighLevel, making your workflows smarter than ever. First, you'll access your GoHighLevel account and navigate to the automation section, where all the magic happens. Next, select or create a new workflow. Think of this as a smart recipe for your customer interactions. Now, this is key. You need to choose a trigger that kicks off your Retell AI actions. Triggers can be based on factors like form submissions, contact receipt, or appointment booking. Select your trigger list, say a form fill-in. After selecting your trigger, add a new action to the workflow within the Actions menu. Find the Retell AI action option. If you don't see it, you may need to connect your accounts. Check your settings within the GoHighLevel app section, or check the Integrations tab. Selecting the Retell AI action allows you to choose which Retell AI action will be triggered. This might involve sending a phone call, a text message, or an email. Once selected, set your message content within Retell AI, defining what the Retell AI agent will communicate. To set up the contact, configure the message recipient with customer contact data or appointment information. Once all fields are filled, save everything and test your workflow. Remember, testing is crucial, so use the test workflow feature to ensure everything flows as planned. And just like that, you've seamlessly integrated Retell AI into your GoHighLevel workflows, automating communications, providing personalized service, boosting engagement, and optimizing your marketing efforts.